Here we'll see how to use the mdpython libraries timer module to get the duration of different code blocks. So basically to see what is the execution time of different code blocks. So we can start a timer using timer.start, and we can start any number of timers, and we have to pass the name of the timer to the start function and stop functions. So when we say timer.start, it starts a timer with the name main. And suppose if we this is a function count elements in array, and we want to see how much time this function is taken to execute, then before we call this function count elements in array, we can add timer.start, and after the function is executed we can add timer.stop, and we can give a unique name, function1, func1 and func1. So we can also pass the timer start stops in a loop. So for example, this is a get factorial function, and we call this timer.start and timer.stop within a loop. Okay, so if we see this time loop test, start loop test and stop loop test are called within a loop which is executed 5 times. Okay, so we can either call it as a before a single block, or we can call it in a loop. Anyways we can do. And after we have finished everything, we'll stop the timer main, which basically calculates the execution time of the main function, the complete program, and then we say timer.show. So when we say timer.show, it prints out a report with block which takes the most amount of time for execution first. So main is the full program, so it is showing 0.046 seconds. Then func1 took 0.033 seconds, and loop test is executed 5 times. So you will see 5 stats, loop test.4, 2, 1, 3, 5, after which loop test.4, the fourth iteration, took the maximum time, which is 0.010 seconds, and loop test.2 took the next, which is 0.003 seconds. Okay, and here you can see what is the start time and what is the end time of the function.